You're here because you would like to discover how to hypnotize someone easily, without feeling any fear about doing so. And I'm going to teach you. So here's a fun way to hypnotize someone fairly quickly. So what I want you to do, look at me. I want you to put your hands out in front of you. Face them this way, like this. Put them like this. You're going to start rolling them in a circle. Now keep rolling them in a circle. Now go back, reverse. Now go forward, really quickly, really quickly. Now back slow, back slow, back slow. Now forward really quickly. Faster, faster, faster. Now slower, back, back, back. Go on, back, back. Faster, faster, back, back, but no, back faster, back faster, back faster. Forward faster, forward faster, forward faster, forward. And sleep deeper, 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 all the way down. The deeper you go, the better you feel. And the better you feel, the deeper you go. That's right. Deeper and deeper and deeper. All the way down. Deeper and deeper. Deeper than you've ever went before. That's right. Deeper, 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 deeper. That's right. Deeper you go, the better you feel. That's right. That's right. Deeper and deeper and deeper. Deeper and deeper and deeper. Very good. Going all the way down, deeper than you've ever went before. Now in a moment I'm going to ask you to open your eyes, and then I'm going to say close your eyes. And when you close your eyes, you'll go 10 times deeper again. So open your eyes, and close your eyes down 10 times deeper. Deeper you go, the better you feel. The better you feel, the deeper you go. That's right. Deeper and deeper and deeper. That's it. All the way down. Deeper and deeper. When arousing someone, all you have to do is say something similar to this. In a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 5, and on the count of 5, you will feel calm, rested, refreshed, relaxed, and feel wonderfully good. And all you have to do then is count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes, feeling great. Once you've mastered the art of doing rapid hypnosis inductions, or even any time you do a rapid hypnosis induction that's successful, never waste a good trance. Always give the person something good from that experience, so that when they reach that deep hypnotic state, give them a positive suggestion. Something simple, like they'll feel good for the rest of the day, or maybe there's something upcoming that you know about. Say they're going to feel good so that they won't feel nervous at that upcoming event. Always give them something positive from the experience, and never waste a good hypnotic trance.